Hello, welcome to our channel. Here, we always talk about money and finance, bringing you content that will help inform and inspire you. So, if you like this kind of subject and want to learn more, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos. Always useful, regardless of the topic. Got rich out of nowhere? Did you win a windfall? Whether it's an inheritance, the lottery, investments, or a successful business, the big question is, do you know how to manage your newfound wealth? In this video, I'll show you how to maintain your fortune with financial intelligence, avoid the most common mistakes, and build a prosperous and stable life. Earning an unexpected fortune is rare, but it does happen. The big issue is that few people are prepared to deal with a lot of money and end up losing it all very quickly. That's because wealth begins in the mind. Statistics show that 70% of lottery winners return to their previous situation within 3 to 5 years.
Why?
Because they never had access to large sums of money, and when they do, they go shopping without planning, spend it all, and end up back where they started. That's why planning is essential. And now, I present to you the 16 essential actions you need to take if luck decides to knock on your door. 1. Don't share with anyone.
Keep it a secret.
Is it difficult? Yes, but you'll need to control your anxiety. You're rich now, and you need to think like one. When the time comes, only share it with people you trust and are very close to. 2. Pay off all your debts. This is the only recommended immediate expense. Debts eat away at your assets, so clear your name and reset your financial past. But don't create new debts, no matter how tempting. This could lead you back to square one. 3. Don't rush out of your job. If you have a job, don't throw it all away now. Having money is liberating, but standing still can lead you to spend without breaks. Continue your routine for a while. You'll see that working with financial peace of mind has a different flavor. 4. Don't touch the money for a while. Once you've paid off your debts, don't touch the rest. Give yourself 4 to 5 months to process this new reality. Use this time to reflect, learn, and plan. Your plans will change, and that's a good thing. 5. Invest in yourself first. Before you invest your money, invest in your knowledge. Learn about finance, read books, take courses. Avoid acting on impulse, and shield yourself from people who want to take advantage of you. Your greatest asset is your knowledge. 6. Now, start investing with confidence. Make smart investments such as fixed income, almost always safe and with good returns. Shares, solid companies for long-term returns. Real estate, helps diversify your portfolio. It's also time to think about your financial security. Emergency fund, set aside 3 to 6 months of expenses. Private pension plan, guarantee a peaceful future with this option. And why not share some of your good fortune? Make conscious donations. Invest in the education of those you love. 7. Have a trusted financial advisor. This professional can be the key to preserving and multiplying your fortune. They will help you create a financial plan, understand investments, and make safe decisions. Yes, they are expensive, but they know what they are doing and are worth every penny. 8. Maintain a moderate standard of living. You'll want to buy a new house, cars, maybe even a speedboat. But be careful. Don't move to a millionaire's neighborhood without thinking about recurring expenses, property tax, maintenance, security, etc. And remember, each child will also want a car, which doesn't mean that the car is a villain. A car used for work and generating profits is an asset. A car used only to show off and generate maintenance and fuel costs is a liability, so think carefully before buying yours. 9. Separate friendships from business. Get ready. A lot of people are going to ask you for money. Some will say it's a loan, but most don't intend to give it back. If you give or lend without criteria, you will lose the money and the friendship. Be firm, be polite, and protect your assets. 10. Don't rush into starting a business. Having your own business is tempting, but 90% of businesses fail within the first few years. If you want to start a business, study the market, hire experts, do your research, and plan well. Only then think about investing. 11. Prepare for changes and challenges. Money changes everything. Your relationships, your priorities, and even who gets close to you. There will be people flattering you, cheating you, and trying to manipulate you. Money attracts smart people and ill-intentioned people too. Be vigilant. 12. Prioritize your quality of life. This is the best part. Travel. Enjoy. Enjoy it. Take care of your health, your time, your moments with your family. Now you have the chance to really live well. 13. Create a long-term plan. Real wealth is not only measured by the amount you have today, but by your ability to maintain and multiply that amount over time. So sit down, reflect, and write out a plan. What are your personal and financial goals? How much do you want to have in 5, 10, 20 years? What lifestyle do you want to sustain? How much will you set aside to invest, donate, or travel? Having this plan in mind will prevent you from getting lost along the way and will ensure that your fortune becomes a legacy, not a passing accident. 14. Think about building a legacy. Your fortune can end with you or continue to help your family for generations. Consider making a well-structured will, creating a family holding company to protect assets, creating funds or social projects in your name, investing in the financial education of your children and grandchildren. If you build a legacy, your story will continue to bear fruit long after you are gone. 15. Avoid showing off on social media. It's tempting to show off your new house, car, trips, but the more you show off your wealth, the more you attract envy, scammers, and dishonest people, so keep a low profile. Discretion is security. And real wealth doesn't need applause. It speaks for itself. 16. Enjoy it with balance. Did the money come in? Good. You deserve to enjoy it. Just don't confuse freedom with lack of control. Now you can dine in the best restaurants, take that dream trip, buy what you've always wanted, but always with intelligence, awareness, and purpose. Because true wealth is not in what you spend, but in what you build, live, and share. Final summary. If you got rich out of nowhere, remember that maintaining it is more difficult than gaining it. But if you follow these 16 attitudes with wisdom and maturity, your wealth can become a stepping stone to an extraordinary life, not a trap. Thank you very much for spending the time with us, and if you like this video, I ask you to subscribe, activate the bell, and share it because as well as helping the channel to grow, you will always receive videos that will all